Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. I'm Tony. I'm the owner of Homeowner Repair. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a taillight lens on a 91 to a 2006 Chevy Corvette. This repair isn't that hard, and it's something you can do in your own driveway with simple hand tools. So if your lens is cracked and it's not missing, we'll pretend that there's a crack in this lens and you need to take it off to replace it. You're going to need a T15 Torx bit or a Torx screwdriver like I have here, and the screws that hold it in place are Torx screws. And there's two of them, there's one on each side. So then you would take your broken lens off and replace it with your new one. Your lens does have a top and a bottom, so just make sure that the where it says top is on the top. Make sure your gasket is good on the housing. If you're missing these screws, you more than likely can get one from Chevy. The dealership should be able to get some for you. They're not like a Phillips screw, like I said, they're Torx bit screws. But they're probably not much at all if you had to get a pair. Let's put that one in, and then this one. That's it. So now you should be back in business, and hopefully you won't get pulled over, but who knows, it's a Corvette, right? So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Like the video if you liked it, it'd be great. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of great content coming out. Thanks for watching, guys.